Hey, welcome back to our video series on solving with trig ratios. Here's how to solve if it's just a one-step problem. This is our simpler video. Make sure to check out the other two videos after this. So everything we're going to do is with respect to that given angle measure. I have 16 degrees. I'm going to identify my opposite side, which I do not have, my hypotenuse across from the right angle, and the adjacent side there. So I have the adjacent side of x and the hypotenuse of 37. So if I have adjacent and hypotenuse, I'm going to look down at my SOHCAHTOA, identify which one's adjacent and hypotenuse, that's cosine. So my cosine of 16 degrees, well, what's the cosine of that angle? It's adjacent x over the hypotenuse of 37. And again, if you watch the other videos first, you'll know that I like to set this up as a proportion just because it's simpler for some students to see it this way. And I can cross multiply. So it's cosine of 16 times 37, or 37 times the cosine of 16 equals 1x, or just x. So here, if I type in 37 times the cosine of 16 in my calculator, make sure I'm in degree mode, and it would be 35.6 as that side length. 35.6 units if we were using units. Number 7, same idea. Everything's with respect to that given angle. So let's see what we have. I have my opposite. I do not have a hypotenuse, but I do have the adjacent side. So if I have the opposite and the adjacent, then opposite and adjacent would get me tangent. So the tangent of 51 would be opposite is x over adjacent is 15. And now if I were to cross multiply, then it's 15 times the tangent of 51 equals 1x, or just x. Again, make sure you're in degree mode. 15 times the tangent of 51 would get you 18.523, or 18.5. All right, why don't you pause the video, try this one. And then unpause and check your work. Okay, so you've got your opposite, you got your hypotenuse, so sine of 24 equals x over 9. And x would be 3.7. And that's how to solve with the nice one-step problems. Check out how to solve for a side length, or not a side length, but an angle measure in just a few minutes.